Hello, parents. Welcome to my virtual classroom. Um, uh, my name is Dave Allemeier, and this is Personal Finance. My contact information, dallemeier@nsd.org. I do not have a direct line to my classroom or office, so if you call the main office, they can get me information. But the best way is through email. If you email me, I will get back to you as soon as I can. Generally, I check my email in the morning, periodically throughout the day, and then after school is what I usually do. And if it's a short type of answer, something I can email you right back, I'll do so. If I need to find the answer to your question, I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm usually within 24 hours, I've answered all the emails. So let's get on with the presentation a little bit. Financial algebra. When we do financial algebra and we do this open house, what I generally do is I hand out a card and I ask parents to write down something that is kind of interesting about their child that maybe I don't know. Something that we can have a little conversation with in a week or a month or something. If your child maybe is competitive horseback rider, or they've tried out for an elite kickboxing team, or just anything that would be kind of an interesting conversation. They like muscle cars. Please just send me their name and little blurb about what that interest is. And then also, if there's anything else that maybe they might be uncomfortable talking to me about that I should know about them or about the family, that would be wonderful as well. I like to get to know the students as best as possible. With the fact that we're wearing masks all the time isn't any fun, but that's the way it is, and that's what we're going to kind of do. Our administration for the past couple of years has asked us to not really cover a lot of curriculum material, but more talk about ourselves and the class and that kind of stuff. So I'll do that in a moment, but I want to make sure I do talk about a couple of the areas that we are really going to focus on. We're going to talk about savings, checking, retirement savings, emergency fund, that kind of stuff. We'll spend some time on building a resume, how to take a interview, what kind of questions they might have, what kind of questions they should be able to answer, where they might want to live when they get their job after college or after high school, how expensive different places are, how inexpensive others are, how to purchase a car. In January, February timeframe, we'll start working on taxes. And for most of my students, the tax forms they have to do, if they have to do a tax form, is pretty simple. They just basically have income. But we're going to learn about if you have a family, filing jointly. We're going to learn about if you have children, how you get those deductions, if there's interests, payments that you make on a home loan, taxes that we pay, all those little things that kind of add up to problems with income tax. We're going to try to cover that. We'll look into how to find an apartment and what kind of things you have to do there. Renter's insurance and homeowners insurance, health insurance, all those kinds of things we're going to try to get throughout the year. Okay, so that's just a broad view of the material that we're going to cover. A little bit about myself. That's my wife and I. A couple years ago at Inglemoor, they had a backdrop and they let anybody take pictures that they wanted to. So we took that one. We thought that was kind of fun. On the upper right is my son and daughter. Both of them are Inglemoor graduates. My daughter went to Whitworth University and got a double major in health science and psychology, and then got a master's at Royal Holloway University over in London in clinical psychology. And she is currently a paraeducator at West Hill working with some autistic students. And she was kind of like getting into education. She's not sure exactly what yet, so she's just kind of dabbling with a few things. And our son Gunnar is got a double major at the University of Washington in math and computer science. And he's currently employed by Amazon as a cybersecurity programmer. Both kids are doing great. Both kids in high school took some IB classes. Gunnar, he took full IB. Both of them were involved in sports. Both of them were involved in ASB. He was in band. She was in orchestra for her first year. So, well, really, really well-rounded kids. Picture below them is my wife and I at a Husky game, having a good time, nighttime game. That was fun. Below that's my wife and daughter in Ireland when she was in school over in Europe. We got to go visit her, and one of the trips that we were able to take with her was up in Ireland, and that's us tipping, or actually them tipping a pint of Guinness. The upper left corner is a picture that I took of a sunset, and I took it because it's my wife's favorite thing. She told me really the only thing she wants when we retire is a place where she can see sunsets and water. So that's what I'm shooting for. Below that's best friend and Gunnar at a tailgate. We like doing tailgating at Husky games. As I'm recording this, it's the week after the Huskies lost to Montana, so that was not very much fun for myself and all Husky fans. And then below that is a picture of my wife and I's wedding. We just celebrated our 30th anniversary in August, and that's my family. I put that in there because family is pretty important to me. Grades are done by classwork and participation. I'm not really grading participation, but are they involved in what we're doing? Are they getting the stuff done on time? I told the students this year, my goal is that there's no homework. My assumption is a few students won't quite finish what we're doing in class, so they will have that type of homework, but I'm going to try to allot as much time as possible for them to get everything done during class. And then we will have periodically a few quizzes or tests, but nothing overly dramatic or major. Nothing really, really big, nothing they have to study a week for ahead of time. My goal, like I said, is no or little homework, and try to learn everything we can in class so we can have better discussions about what we're learning. And that is my little presentation. If you have any questions, please email me. Like I said, I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. I wish I could look out in my classroom and see you and talk to you, but we are in what we are in, and we will get through it. And pretty soon it'll be an ancient history, and we won't even think about it anymore. So thank you very much. Have a great evening, afternoon, morning, weekend, whatever it is when you watch this. Take care. Bye.